What if I told you there's a serum sitting in your kitchen right now that dermatologists don't want you to know about? 3 ingredients, under $10. And women in their 60s are using this and genuinely looking 25. Stay with me, I'm showing you the exact formula right now. So here's what's actually happening on a skin level. After 25, your collagen drops every single year. That's why wrinkles happen, skin sags, and that firmness just disappears. But these 3 ingredients? They work together to reverse exactly that. No retinol, no needles, no expensive clinic visits, just nature, doing what it's always done. Here's everything you need, and I've linked all of it on Amazon in the description so you can grab it easily. First, 2 to 3 whole cloves. Don't grind them into powder, just crush them lightly. Crack them open just enough so all those active compounds release into the oil. Cloves are one of the highest antioxidant ingredients on the planet. They stimulate collagen production, fight free radicals, and literally slow down how fast your skin ages. Second, 2 small pieces of licorice root. This one is so underrated. Licorice root brightens dark spots, evens out skin tone, and fades hyperpigmentation, gently but effectively. Science backs this up. It's been used in skincare for centuries and it genuinely works. Third, your base oil. Jojoba oil or grapeseed oil, around 30 milliliters. I love grapeseed especially because it is so lightweight, nothing like coconut oil. It absorbs instantly, repairs your skin barrier, balances oil production, and works beautifully even on oily or combination skin. Pick whichever you prefer, both are amazing. Now, take a clean glass jar. Glass is best because it doesn't react with your oils. Drop in your crushed cloves. Add your licorice root pieces. Pour in your 30 milliliters of oil. Close the lid tightly. Here's the step most people skip, and it makes all the difference. Every day for 3 days, place your jar in sunlight for 1.5 to 2 hours. The warmth pulls all the active compounds out of the cloves and licorice root and into the oil, far more effectively than just leaving it in a cabinet. After each sunlight session, shake the jar gently. This makes sure every drop of oil absorbs everything. Sunlight, shake, repeat, for 3 days. After day 3, strain out the cloves and licorice pieces. Your oil is fully infused. Now the final step. Add 5 to 10 drops of rosehip oil. It is totally optional, but this is what makes this serum extraordinary. Rosehip is packed with vitamin A and essential fatty acids that regenerate skin cells overnight. It fades fine lines, reduces scars, and gives your skin that natural glow. Together with clove and licorice, this combination tightens, brightens, and genuinely turns back the clock. Every night, or every other night if your skin is sensitive, take a few drops into your palms. Warm it between your fingers. Then massage it into your face using gentle upward circular motions. Take a full minute. Focus on forehead, around your mouth, under eyes, and your neck. Leave it overnight and let it work while you sleep. Your skin repairs itself most actively between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. This serum works perfectly with that window. Here's what to expect. Week 1, skin feels softer, more hydrated. Week 2, pores look smaller, skin tone starts evening out. Week 4, fine lines visibly softer. People will notice. Week 6 to 8, people will straight up ask you what you're doing differently. And you'll just smile. If you can't find these ingredients locally, I've added direct links in the description box. Make your serum tonight and share your results. Try this and comment below. Tell me what week you started seeing results. I read every single comment. And next week, I'm sharing the 1 ingredient that doubles this serum's power overnight. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next video.